Team, it's Friday 17. In Italy, Friday 17 is a bad luck day, but we don't care. It's no news, basically, which, to be honest, it's lovely for me. There is many small news. I don't think any of these gonna move price significantly. Usually when there is no news, price moves slower but cleaner. So let's go for this. Let's start with item frame. Yeah, weekly turn into a bearish candle. Here and now we got finally to this weekly rejection block. Still just slightly tested, so not really in full support, but yeah, I like to mark this 50% of big wicks. Yes, anyway, bearish weekly. Yeah, again the volume imbalance, rejection, nice one. Yeah, daily closed as a raid yesterday, so not extremely bearish, but today opened it really down. That said, we are touching now the bullish order block here, the one that I wanted, which is also the H12 breaker. Can you see it? Untested, that I called, like I say a few days ago, I wanted something like this, you remember? I say it. And then maybe from here we see if we can find some support and go back up. Yeah, I don't want to call reversal, it's still too early. I am nobody to judge where we're gonna reverse. I'm gonna wait them to show me their cards. But right now I'm aware that we are in an item frame support, okay? Yeah, H4 pretty much the same thing. Let me see. Yeah, would slightly touch. It's still not like deep depth in there, but yeah. There is nothing significant here. I mean, yeah, there is this bearish order block. If we start to go higher, or else short your shorts. H1 is a little bit more interesting because they did what I like to see, sometimes close to reversal. What I mean, they stop price, they print a perfect doji. You remember I talked about this also on the weekly chart, I think. Yeah, this one. You remember about this weekly candle that I say, like, when there is weekly, I like stop, run, and then reverse. Look what they did on H1, because price is fractal, so it's always the same. They did a perfect doji. That means that somebody here bought, somebody sold, and they're undecided on price. And now they're going down. If I see a push, maybe we're gonna start to look for longs. But right now, too early. This is a valid bearish order block on H1. Look, close the chart below this range. So when we get here, it's gonna be interesting. Anyway, let's go to have a look at the low time frame. Oh yeah, I was sending to the Discord server with my friends that there is a boomer pattern, the descending wedge, but I was just joking. So I don't know, this could be like the beginning of an AMD, possibly, but I am not allowed to long until I see significant shift that say that this liquidity is stupid. Yeah, M15 and M5 are still down. I need them to shift for me to even consider longs. Yeah. I want to say something else, and yesterday I took a trade. Well, my short was here, I think, yes. And I posted in FXO chat, in the discussion group of the Telegram channel. I think this was my short, yes. I got 99% of drawdown. they went to this flat top, take it, reversed. This was my short, and I closed it here because I had to leave home. Okay, as always, when you go within the flow, you should leave a runner. Look what happened later. Yeah, 9R, whatever. It's not like that I'm looking for these big moves when I day trade. I'm fine with 2-3R, but yeah, I chicken out. I close it here, and then chart went exactly where I wanted, and I was not in, and then I got busy, so I couldn't trade anymore. Lesson is stick to your bias, and if you cannot stay a computer, at least leave a runner. Anyway, that's enough for me today, guys. And maybe, as I said, tomorrow I'm gonna publish that concept video. We start a series, a playlist, and then we see from there. We see. Thanks. Have a nice weekend.